If you're buying a dashcam this year, choosing the wrong one could cost you clear footage when you need it most. Please watch the full video to know which dashcam is the best for your car in 2026. Today, I've researched specs, real user feedback, night footage quality, and parking mode reliability to bring you the top 10 best budget dashcams of 2026. We'll start from number 10 and work our way up to the best overall dashcam you can buy right now. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 10. 4K plus 4K dashcam. This dashcam offers dual 4K recording, built-in GPS, a wide 170-degree viewing angle, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and comes with a free 128 GB memory card. It also supports up to 512 GB storage and features 24-hour parking mode. Product review. Users like this model for delivering sharp footage both front and rear at an affordable price. It's easy to install, and the wide angle helps capture multiple lanes clearly, especially during daytime driving. Pros: dual 4K front and rear recording, free 128 GB card included, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, wide 170-degree angle. Cons: night performance is average, app interface feels basic. Number 9. ROVE R2 4K Pro. This dashcam records UHD 2160p at 30 FPS, features built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, WDR night vision, and supports up to 512 GB storage. Product review. This dashcam is popular in the US market for its reliability and simple operation. Footage is sharp, GPS data is accurate, and the mobile app allows quick downloads. Pros: reliable 4K video quality, built-in GPS tracking, strong brand reputation, good night footage. Cons: single channel only, no interior camera. Number 8. VIOFO A229 Plus. Equipped with dual StarVis 2 sensors, this dashcam records 1440p front and rear, supports HDR, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and ultra-precise GPS. Product review. Users praise its balanced performance, excellent low-light clarity, and accurate GPS data. It's ideal for drivers who want premium sensors without paying for full 4K. Pros: StarVis 2 sensors, excellent night vision, voice control and GPS, compact design. Cons: not full 4K, memory card sold separately. Number 7. VIOFO Ultra Dual. This model delivers true dual 4K HDR recording using two StarVis 2 IMX678 sensors. It includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and supports up to 512 GB storage. Highly rated for professional-grade video quality, especially at night. It's a favorite among rideshare drivers and commuters who want maximum detail. Pros: dual 4K HDR recording, exceptional night clarity, premium build quality, reliable parking mode. Cons: higher price, professional setup recommended. Number 6. BOTSLAB 3-channel dashcam. This 3-channel dashcam records front, rear, and interior, features a touchscreen, voice control, GPS, WDR night vision, and includes a 128 GB memory card. Perfect for Uber, Lyft, and family vehicles. Users appreciate the touchscreen, easy navigation, and interior camera for added security. Pros: 3-channel recording, touchscreen display, voice control and GPS, free 128 GB card. Cons: larger body, slight learning curve. Number 5. ROVE R2 4K Dual. This model offers 4K front plus FHD rear, StarVis 2 sensor, 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, 3-inch IPS screen, and a free 128 GB card. Product review. Drivers love the fast app downloads and consistent video quality. It's a strong choice for everyday drivers wanting dual camera protection. Pros: Starvis 2 sensor, fast Wi-Fi download speeds, free memory card, trusted US brand. Cons: the rear camera is not 4K. App design could improve. Number 4. ROVE Dashcam 4K. A compact dashcam with 2160p UHD recording, Wi-Fi 6, GPS, WDR, and a wide 150-degree viewing angle. Product review. This model is known for reliability and simplicity. It's ideal for drivers who only need front coverage with excellent video clarity. Pros: sharp 4K video, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, easy installation, and strong customer support. Cons: no rear camera, limited advanced features. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Pro. Features 4K front plus 2K rear, dual Starvis 2 sensors, HDR, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, and advanced night vision. Product review. Users report outstanding clarity, excellent night performance, and dependable parking mode. It's a favorite for serious drivers. Pros: premium sensors, excellent night footage, strong app support, accurate GPS. Cons: premium price, card not included. Number 2. 70 May 4K T800. This dashcam records 4K front, 4K rear, and 1080p interior, features Starvis 2 sensor, Wi-Fi 6, optional 4G LTE, ADAS, and 24-hour parking mode. Product review. Users love the smart features, cloud support, and excellent video quality. It's one of the most advanced dashcams on the list. Pros: triple channel recording, smart ADAS features, Wi-Fi 6 and optional LTE, premium app experience. Cons: higher cost, LTE requires subscription. Number 1. Vantrue NS5. The Vantrue NS5 is a 4-channel 360-degree dashcam with Starvis 2 sensors, IR night vision, GPS, voice control, and support up to 1 TB storage. Product review. This dashcam consistently ranks at the top for complete vehicle coverage. Users praise its crystal clear footage, reliable parking mode, and unmatched interior night vision. Pros: true 4-channel coverage, exceptional night vision, supports up to 1 TB storage, ideal for families and rideshare drivers. Cons: premium pricing, larger installation setup. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So that was the top 10 best budget dashcams of 2025. If you want the best overall dashcam, the Vantrue NS5 is my top recommendation thanks to its 360-degree coverage, superior night vision, and long-term reliability. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment which dashcam you're using right now. See you in the next video.